Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a ocean view home for sale. It is located at Belle in Runaway Bay, St. Anne. It offers 8 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, spanning 2 spacious floors. Designed for convenience, the property features separate entrances and a laundry room on each level. Additionally, 3 of the bedrooms and 3 bathrooms remain unfinished, giving you the unique opportunity to customize them to your preferences. The second floor includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a dedicated office space, and a balcony where you can enjoy breathtaking views. The ground floor features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, creating a versatile layout that suits various living arrangements. Ideally situated just minutes from all major amenities, including pristine beaches, supermarkets, hotels, a golf course, restaurants, gas stations, ATMs, medical centers, schools, and police stations. This property offers the perfect blend of space, convenience, and accessibility. Embrace the best of coastal living with this well located and versatile ocean view home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million or US $349,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.